If your CapCut shows maximum number of attempts reached on your iPhone, stopping you from signing in or making changes, most users get stuck here, frustrated and unsure what to do next. This usually happens after too many failed login attempts or repeated verification tries. In this video, I'll show you how to fix this error on your iPhone, so let's fix it right now. Before doing anything else, stop trying to log in immediately. Wait 10 to 30 minutes before attempting again. Double check your login credentials, and after this, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Clear App Cache. Open up the CapCut app, then tap on the profile icon or Me tab. Now tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Next, tap Clear Cache below, then tap Confirm, and it's been cleared. Solution 2. Enable Background App Refresh. Go to the Settings app on your iPhone, then tap General. Scroll down, tap on Background App Refresh. Again, tap on Background App Refresh. Now select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and mobile data from here. Then go back, scroll down, find the app, make sure to toggle it on. Solution 3. Offload CapCut app. First, open up the settings, then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now, scroll down and find the app. If you can't find the app here, tap on Show All. Next, tap on the app and then tap Offload, and again tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall. Solution 4. Uninstall and reinstall the app. Go to home screen, tap and hold the CapCut icon. Now tap Remove App, then tap Delete. Again tap Delete to confirm deletion. Now go to the App Store and install this app again. Now try to log in again. Hope this time your issue will be solved. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.